Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen that natural gas price after moving in this particular range made high twice. Okay, this is a month high, you can say 6-7 months high. After that there is a fall. Why there is a fall? Because all these levels profit booking has come at these particular levels. Okay, and this is the range where it has traveled for so long. So if there is a range happening like this, if it moves upside, then a further upside movement we can see. If it moves downside, on a further fall we can see. Okay, and the gap is still pending at this particular level, and it after pandemic what was happening, that it was traveling in this particular zone. Okay, in this particular way, that means whenever it is hitting a new high, a fall is coming and then swing is forming. That is where this is how the natural gas price is moving. Okay, it would have made for the sixth time, but because of the war situation we have seen the price was continuously moving down. Okay, now what we can see looking at this particular chart for the next 2 days. So before I move ahead and explain you, if you have any doubts you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link I've given in the description, you can join that too. Suppose if the price didn't sustain, chances are very high, yes, it will move again in this zone. Okay, till the time it is not crossing a level of $3. Okay, 3.03. so suppose if the price didn't sustain, we can see it will go towards its next support of $2.8379, and if it moves below this level, it will go towards a level of $2.8470. Okay, and if you look at this particular trend, there is a big pattern is forming. Okay, this pattern, so chances will be high it will go further down towards a level of 2.7893, and from there a probability of going towards 2.4859. Okay, as soon as it moves touch this particular level, a further fall we can see, and a probability of going towards a further down, and then it can touch a level of around 2.2579, because a opposite cup pattern is forming, and chances will be high that it can go further down. As soon as it moves below 2.2, then a probability of crossing a level of $2 we can see, and chances of crossing below that $2, and a probability that it can go towards a level of 1.8 and then to a level of 1.5. Okay, now as I have explained you that market is always uncertain. Okay, if you are thinking that it will move as per you, no, it will not. Okay, so what you have to do is always try to set your SL. Okay, it will save your capital, as well as always try to trail your SL. It will save your profit. These two things you have to do. Okay, if you want to sustain for a long time. Okay, now what you can see looking at this particular chart, that suppose it form a swing. Okay, it form a swing or sustain this particular support. So what we can see, suppose if the price sustain this level, what we can see, suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see it will cross its next resistance at a level of $3.0351, and from there it will go and cross a level of $3.0698. As soon as it's sustaining of this level, it will cross this particular zone, and chances will be high it will touch a level of around 3.3804, and from there it will go towards a level of 3.5. Okay, once the price sustaining of this level, it go towards its next resistance of $3.6. Okay, and as soon as it goes above a level of 3.6, then there will be a zone breakout which is happening after 8-9 months. So chances are high it will go towards $3.9, and from there this gap can be filled. Okay, a gap of around 4.1 to a level of 4.35. so probability is very high that as soon as it goes above this particular level, a further upside movement we can see towards 4.5 and then towards 4.8 also. Okay, and then chances can be high also it can touch this particular level. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe.